This guide will walk you through the steps to install fonts on your Windows 10 computer. First, you need to obtain the font you want to install. You can download fonts from various websites that offer free and paid fonts. Make sure to choose a reputable source to avoid any potential security issues. I'll drop some links in the description below that provide free fonts for download. After downloading the font file, it is usually saved in your Downloads folder or the folder where you chose to save the file. Double-click on the font file. This will open a preview window displaying the font. In the preview window, you should see a button at the top that says Install. Click on this button. Windows will now install the font. Once the font is installed, you will see a confirmation message. The font is now available for use in various applications on your Windows 10 computer. You can use the newly installed font in applications like Microsoft Word, Adobe Photoshop, or any other program that allows font selection. The font will appear in the font selection menu along with your other installed fonts. Restart applications, if needed. Some applications may require a restart before they recognize and display the newly installed font. If you can't find the font in a specific application immediately after installation, try restarting that application